Today we are decorating my living room for early spring, but I need to do few DIYs before I show you how I decorate it.
Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side. Lay your head on my chest. I know you've had a really bad day, but I'm right here, it's gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies ain't too gray, we're gonna be okay. Calm your soul, hold my hand, don't let go. I understand. I know it hurts, it wasn't fair. It's over now.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. Thank you so much for reaching out after the Turkish earthquake. For those of you who are new to my channel, I'm originally from Turkey, living in UK. My family is safe, they have shelters, none of them living in tent, and I know some people still haven't had a tent, so really grim situation there, and I was feeling really down and I was feeling guilty to have a nice home, heated home, but I just want to do what makes me happy now, because I was so down for so many days, and for my own well-being, mental well-being, I decided to decorate my home, getting it ready, transition between winter and spring, and I hope you enjoyed this video. This is what we have. I put all the items that I want to use, some of them new, some of them old, so you just seen how I created these. And I just placed this candle holder that you've seen so many times into this candle holder from HomeSense, and this is from HomeSense, and I just done a little DIY. And this little lady, should I say, is actually a small pot from Matalan. I just placed it and I tried to hide it with moss. It's not working, but I'll straighten it out. This one is from HomeSense. This is Poundland. You've seen me creating this larger decor item rather than too small. And this one is thrifted from Next Home, and that one is Primark. HomeSense, Primark. These are so cute. I know it's very fashionable nowadays to have these like boho style. My one is gonna be Glam boho probably, and I already did this arrangement, and some of them are frosted because we still have frost in the morning. I wanted to reflect that. And this one is from B&M store. Other items here, Amazon, and I'm going to, this is actually a fruit bowl, but I'm going to use it as a decor bowl, and I will put those ones inside. I don't know, maybe green ones or those dry ones or both. We'll just see. And I will place this one on the table. And let's begin. Before we begin, this is what we are dealing with. The colors are mainly black and cream. That's the painting that I've done, you've seen before, and I'm introducing gold accents as well, but mainly it's gonna be black and white with touch of gold. If you're wondering what I'm using this pink stuff, and all the items from pink stuff I really love, so I definitely recommend it. And no, this video is not sponsored by pink stuff, but I genuinely like their items. I bought these cushions from Amazon, and cushion covers, I don't remember how much it was, and I bought these ones from Turkey. I ordered loads from the manufacturer, and now I have an Etsy store and I'm selling these silver ones as well as gold ones. I started with black because I have both of them, both in silver and gold, and I'm so happy with that. They are all beautifully high quality velvet with foil, gold and silver, the other one. And if you want to buy 50 by 50 centimeter, the link to my Etsy shop going to be in the description box, and you can also buy all my artwork as well. It's in progress, my Etsy shop, so I will be adding more stuff, but at the moment I have these cushions and some of my artwork, so bear with me please on that shop. This is the only one that has the texture, and this one is from HomeSense. Blanket is really cozy in every weather, every season, and especially if you are living in England, so the weather is unpredictable. Even in summer, some years we have really hot summers, and sometimes we don't, so I always have cozy blankets, especially in the evenings. I love snuggling it into these and watch TV. This is my staple item, and I always keep it here, even if I don't share it with you. Sometimes I remove it for the sake of the video, but because it has loads of bits and pieces and charging things and loads of I cannot even fit everything here. It's full remote controls. It is so handy and it looks beautiful, and originally it's a tic-tac-toe set from HomeSense, and I removed the tic-tac-toes and I am just using the box. And if you are new to my channel, I made this coffee table, and I used a beautiful mirror from the Range store, and the bottom is an MDF box, and book, I covered it with mirrors that I bought, made the measure from a glass merchant, a local glass merchant. Okay, this is ready. I'm just going to put this one back in its place, and I made a mark. Let's clean it. Okay, in here, this is what I'm thinking. Even though it's getting lighter and lighter, but I still like candles. And I really want to use this one. This time I don't want to use tray, so just these 3 items, color coordinating, and all of them even metal, so it's made out of same material. And I am just going to try these first and see how it looks, and then the other sides. Okay, so you are closer, so like that. A bit pale. How about if I introduce okay, I will do all 3 green, and then we'll see the difference, and then I'm going to mix and match. So that's that. Oh, it looks beautiful, but maybe too summery. Shall we add some winter stuff? Because I already planned my spring living room, and I don't want to spoil it by starting too early, revealing too early. So I'm just going to put winter touches as well on this one. How about that? Oh, I like it. I really do like it. I can even put some fairy lights for a cozy evening look. We'll see, but I really love it. What do you think? Leave me a comment please to say whether or not you like it. For this area I have few alternatives. Let me just dust this and then leave the sides. So I have this book, and one alternative is this. I hold this for you from Poundland, and it's just a statement piece in the center. This is alternative 1. Alternative 2 is this gorgeous little vase from Home Sense that I bought years ago, and I have a little flower. I love the fact that it has few foliage to make it interesting, and that's that. I think I'm already loving this one better than the other black one. And the other alternative is this beautiful splash of color. What do you think? I'll decide. I will show you, reveal it when I'm showing you the tool. Okay, so I am going to be using my Poundland DIY in here, and this book is from Home Sense. I bought it during Christmas. I'm gonna place it there, beautiful, against my artwork, and these candles is gonna be in front, and I will just, what's going on? This is very inexpensive. This is only $2.50 from Primark, and this one is $1.50 from the same store. And I'm just gonna snip and snip. I am happy with this arrangement. For black and gold lovers, if you live in UK, Primark has really good, very inexpensive range, and I really love how these DIYs turned out. And I really love the fact that this has black and this has gold, and coordinating perfectly with each other. And this had larger one as well, but unfortunately it was damaged and there was only one, so I'm on the hunt for a larger one. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna place this one. If you're new to my channel, you should know that I really love decorating in threes or sometimes fives, but usually my go-to principle is threes, grouping of threes, and I'm just ignoring this. I bought all these items from HomeSense, as I said, all in different times, but I really love all of them have same elements, black and gold metal, and usually it's like hammered textured effects. It's not sleek or flawless, it has dents and all that, and I really love this fact. And this is made out of metal, made in India, and I love this. Was my last edition, I believe. I just wanted to have it in three groups of three, and these IKEA candles are one of the new ones, and it has sensors, light sensors, and when you charge that sensor, when it gets dark, it just comes on, turns itself on. So it's perfect, you don't have to worry about it. Also has 6 hours timer, but you don't have to worry about you know, coming on too early, especially nowadays in spring with the hour changes and all that. It is just perfect. Okay, so this one, as I said, I bought it from thrift store. It has little dents and all that. I was thinking to DIY it, I didn't have time, and this side is actually worse. We're going to pretend that you don't know about this, and I will group it like this. This one is from B&M store, and eventually I will turn this one into a different color, maybe black, or maybe gold, or maybe silver, I don't know, but I'm going to texture it, spray paint, textured spray paint, and then introduce another color. But in the meantime, white goes really well with my white IKEA furniture.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.